What if I told you that a single AI tool could potentially replace your 9-to-5 job? Right now, thousands of people around the world are quietly building AI-powered businesses from their laptops. Some are earning a few $100s per month. Others are making thousands. And the crazy part is, many of them started with zero experience. Artificial intelligence is changing how businesses operate, how content is created, and how services are delivered. But most people are still using AI only for simple tasks. They ask a chatbot a few questions, generate a paragraph, and that's it. Meanwhile, the people who truly understand the power of AI are building automated income streams. In this video, we're going to break down 10 powerful AI business ideas that can potentially replace your traditional job. These are beginner-friendly ideas that can be started with very little money. And many of them can be run from anywhere in the world with just a laptop and internet connection. Some of these businesses require creativity. Some require consistency. But none of them require a traditional office job. So if you're interested in building income online using AI, keep watching. Because by the end of this video, you might discover an idea that could completely change your career. Let's get started. AI business idea number 1. AI content writing agency. The first AI business idea is starting an AI content writing agency. Businesses constantly need content. They need blog posts. They need product descriptions. They need website pages. They need social media posts. But writing all of this content manually takes time. That's where AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI come in. These tools can generate high-quality content in minutes. Instead of spending hours writing, you can generate drafts quickly and then edit them for clients. Here's how this business works. You offer content writing services to businesses. They pay you to create articles, social media posts, or marketing copy. You use AI to generate the content faster. Then you refine and polish the results before delivering them. Many freelancers charge anywhere from $50 to $300 per article. And once you get consistent clients, this can turn into a full-time business. Some agencies even scale this by hiring editors and managing multiple writers. The key to success in this business is learning how to write strong prompts for AI and understanding what clients actually need. AI business idea number 2. Faceless YouTube automation. The second AI business idea is building faceless YouTube channels. You don't need a camera, you don't need to show your face, and you don't even need to record your voice. AI tools can now generate scripts, voiceovers, and videos automatically. For example, creators use tools like ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Pictory for videos. This allows creators to publish videos regularly without appearing on camera. Once the channel grows, it can earn money from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsorships. Some creators run multiple channels in different niches. Examples include finance, technology, motivation, and educational content. The key is consistency and choosing topics people are actively searching for. AI business idea number 3. AI thumbnail design service. Thumbnails are one of the most important parts of YouTube's success. A great thumbnail can dramatically increase click-through rate. But many creators struggle to design good thumbnails. That's where AI-powered design tools come in. Platforms like Canva and Midjourney make it possible to create eye-catching designs quickly. You can start a thumbnail design service where you help YouTubers create clickable thumbnails. Some designers charge $10 to $50 per thumbnail. If you work with multiple YouTubers, this can turn into steady monthly income. The key is studying what makes thumbnails successful. Look at viral YouTube videos. Notice the bold text, strong emotions, high contrast colors. Once you understand the psychology behind thumbnails, you can turn this into a profitable AI business. AI business idea number 4. AI video editing service. Video content is exploding online. But editing videos takes time and skill. AI tools are now simplifying this process. Platforms like Descript allow creators to edit videos by editing text. Other tools can automatically generate captions, remove filler words, and enhance audio. You can offer AI-powered video editing services to YouTubers, podcasters, businesses, online coaches. Many creators are willing to pay editors so they can focus on recording content. With AI tools speeding up the editing process, you can serve more clients and increase your income. AI business idea number 5. AI social media management. Businesses struggle to stay consistent on social media. They need content ideas, captions, graphics, post scheduling. AI tools can help automate much of this process. For example, Copy.ai can generate social media captions. Design tools can create graphics quickly. Scheduling tools can automate posting. You can offer social media management packages where you handle content creation for businesses. Many small businesses are willing to pay monthly retainers for this service. And AI tools allow you to produce content much faster. AI business idea number 6. AI website creation. Another growing opportunity is AI website building. Many small businesses still don't have websites. AI tools can now create full websites in minutes. Platforms like Durable generate entire websites with text, images, and layout automatically. You can start a business helping local companies launch websites quickly. This service can include website setup, basic branding, content generation, even simple SEO optimization. Many freelancers charge hundreds of dollars per website. AI business idea number 7. AI graphic design. AI image generation tools are revolutionizing design. Tools like Midjourney can create high-quality artwork in seconds. You can use these tools to design logos, social media graphics, digital art, marketing visuals. Many people sell these designs on freelance platforms or create digital products to sell online. With the right prompts and creativity, AI can help you produce professional designs quickly. AI business idea number 8. AI course creation. Online education is a massive industry. People are constantly searching for courses to learn new skills. AI can help you create courses faster. You can use ChatGPT to generate course outlines, lesson scripts, and teaching materials. You can record simple slides or use AI video tools to produce lessons. Courses can be sold on online learning platforms or your own website. Once created, they can generate passive income over time. AI business idea number 9. AI automation consulting. Many companies are overwhelmed by repetitive tasks. AI automation tools can streamline workflows. Platforms like Zapier allow businesses to connect apps and automate processes. For example, automatically sending emails, updating databases, moving data between platforms. If you learn how to build these automations, you can offer consulting services to businesses. Companies often pay well for automation solutions because it saves them time and money. AI business idea number 10. AI digital product business. The final AI business idea is creating digital products. Examples include ebooks, templates, prompt packs, online guides. AI can help generate ideas, outlines, and content quickly. You can then sell these products online through marketplaces or your own website. The advantage of digital products is scalability. You create them once, but they can sell repeatedly. Many creators build entire businesses selling digital products online. Final thoughts. AI is not just a tool. It's becoming a powerful business engine. The people who learn how to use AI creatively will have massive opportunities in the coming years. The truth is, most people will only use AI casually. But those who treat it like a business partner can build real income streams. Whether you start a content agency, a YouTube channel, a design service, or an automation business, the opportunities are growing rapidly. The key is to start. Pick one idea, learn the tools, experiment, improve over time. Because the future of work is changing fast, and those who adapt early will have the biggest advantage. If you enjoyed this video and want more ideas about making money with AI, Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.